you again?
What are you doing?
I was just heading out on a road ride.
But have you checked your bike?
I was just heading out on a bunch ride, so I didn't really think it was that necessary.
Over the past 6 years, I've developed a super fast bike check. It's called the ABC check. A stands for air. Do your tyres have enough air? B stands for brake. We're going to check your brakes are working and aren't rubbing. Front brakes, back brakes. C stands for chain. Check it's not rusty. Awesome, all set to go.
That was actually easier than I thought. So, do you want to go for a ride?